having some more meatier.
No, I don't want the sockeye. Just give me my regular Atlantic. I'm gonna try these little crab sticks, the little crab stick seafood balls that I keep seeing. I'm gonna try those. I'll see how those look and taste. Normally I don't even buy imitation crab meat, but I want to see what the hype is about. Shrimp. Philly steak meat. Oh, well, these look pretty. Ooh, these look pretty good, y'all. We normally get the steakums, but I think I'm gonna get these to go with our steak bagels. And I can't even eat the freaking bagel anymore. But I'm about to get these to go with some breakfast. Even with the chicken, not buying chicken, you guys, does that count for chicken nuggets? What y'all think? $1.38 in here too. Not that soft. Two of these. Any vegetables? Okay. Any vegetables over here? Are you right here? Yeah, I would like some squash.
Whatever you want to get. Y'all got something for Bobby? Get her a sweet potato.
They all look a little beat up though. So they all. Oh, I ain't see those. Okay, so y'all look a little beat up. Cause she still got food in the house, and it's 2 soldiers that's in there. That's why I wasn't.
Oh, okay.
But you can get her a sweet potato though. Yeah. Yeah. You want to get them some mozzarella sticks? Do they like those? No. Oh, they got the Texas Roadhouse rolls. Y'all want to get these? Because I be seeing them in Walmart, but I never been in Walmart to even get them. That's the $2 right there. They $5. Or should I get 2? Yeah.
How do they make that condensed? It's like condensed milk and regular milk. It's not just milk at the bottom, right?
What are you talking about?
Like the little milk cake thing.
Oh, yeah, that's Tres Leche. That's what condensed milk.
And regular milk.
Yeah, it's 3 different kinds of milk.
What other kind of milk?
Condensed milk, evaporated milk, and I think whole milk.
Yeah, and just make it into a slurry, right?
Yeah.
I'll just buy some cake. Make the cake.
Oh, that's what you want?
Yeah, that's what I want.
Y'all want any waffles? Anything? French toast sticks? Some breakfast stuff with them? I know.
There's no like brown off them.
Okay, so.
I think we're gonna cut it short.
Alright. A little pancake and sausage. Okay. Why don't you get the ketchup just in case? But I know I seen some. Because I'm going to eat some of them little steak bites for later. Sauce. Barbecue sauce. Dang, I wish the sauce man was over here. Got the yum sauce. Sugar free. Yeah. This one I got. I think I'm about to get this one.
What is that? Steak sauce?
You can go with that little stick stuff.
Oh.
Yeah. Just gonna go with the original. Yeah. Look, it's so many different options.
Other than the burgers, I'm just going to have to do as much ketchup as I can.
First.
I know, right?
I didn't know. Why is that $8? Like, what is going on with Walmart? Okay. Yes. A big thing of it. What's this? Oh, that's brag though. What's this? Detox? Oh, the opposite of it. That's what I was supposed to be getting with some olive oil for our hair. You see it over there? Because you got to shake it.
No, color. It's normally not that color.
Oh, because you got to shake it. The mother.
Gates done dead, whatever you color not even.
Bacon bits. Who told you to eat my bacon bits too?
You seen me have some?
Yes, I did. What kind you gonna go with? So
cheap. I'm just going to use creamer.
Yeah, that's good.
Instead of buying 3 different kinds.
What cake you about to use?
Huh?
What cake you about to use? And look, we got all this filler stuff, like you said, but where's the meat at? What meat you gonna use with the bread and stuff? The buns. Oh yeah. You get cheese? See, there go the regular little steakums right there.
No, it's got cheese in the burgers already.
Oh, okay.
That's why I did it.
Okay.
I was saying, that's the reason why I did it. Because it's already cheese in the burger.
Which one? Your calcium? Your calcium? Oh, these don't have any Coke. None of these have Pope. I mean, none of them have with the Pope. You came back to this cake.
Because this is a smaller version of that cake over there.
Oh my God, you really want this cake right now. This actually looks so cute. So we came here to put any cake order in.